today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Constant Contact. Before you send any campaign to your full list, sending a test email is a quick, reliable way to catch typos, confirm that your images and links work, and see how everything looks in a real inbox. It's a simple process, and doing it consistently can dramatically improve your results. First, open your email campaign. You want the campaign you're actively working on visible in the editor so you can preview exactly what will be sent. If you've been making changes, take a moment to ensure your latest edits are saved so the test reflects the current version. Opening a campaign in the editor doesn't publish anything to your contacts, so you can explore confidently without affecting your audience. Next, click Send Test. In the Constant Contact editor, this option is typically easy to find, often near the top right or within a Preview or Actions menu. The Send Test button is specifically designed for quality checks and safe review, so think of it as your rehearsal before the big performance. If you don't see it immediately, look for a Preview option that includes a Send Test feature. The goal is simply to trigger a copy of the email to a small controlled inbox so you can inspect it outside the editor. When the test window opens, enter your email address. Use an address you can access right away, ideally one you regularly check for work or campaigns. If you often review on multiple devices, choose an inbox you can open on both desktop and mobile to quickly verify layout and readability in different views. This is also a good time to confirm that the subject line and pre-header look the way you expect, because those are often included in the test and can influence whether someone opens your message. Finally, click Send. The test will go only to the address you provided and will not send to your subscriber list. Many platforms label the subject line to indicate it's a test, which helps you spot it in your inbox. Give it a moment to arrive, then review the email as your audience would. Scan the header, body text, images, buttons, and links. If something looks off, return to the editor, make your adjustments, and repeat the test until everything feels polished. That's all it takes. Open your email campaign, click Send Test, enter your email address, and click Send. With this quick routine, you'll catch issues early and feel confident when it's time to send to your full list.